Question 7a. This one's a bit horrible because it doesn't really give you particularly the clues about what's going on this question. So we have to work out the sum from when r is 3 up to when r is 50. Let's just work out the sequence that we get as r takes different values. And then you will see what's going on this question. So when r is 1, our sequence are 4r plus 5, we do 4 times 1 plus 5 is 9. When r is 2, we've got 4 times 2 plus 5 is 13. When r is 3, which is the first term we're really bothered about, 4 times 3 plus 5 is 17. R is 4. We've got 4 times 4 plus 5 is 21, etc. And now we can see we've got an arithmetic progression with a difference of 4. Now, depending on how you want to tackle this question, you could take this as an AP starting at 9, or you could actually take it as an AP starting at 17. Okay, our question wants us to work out the sum from r is 3 up to r is 50. Okay, so if we took our AP starting from the third term of 17, okay, so we go 17, 21, 25 all the way up, we'd actually need to go up to the 48th term, because that would be when n is 50. Remember, we're starting here on the third term of the actual sequence. Okay, so if you do start on 17, you're going to need to work out S48, n over 2 bracket 2 lots of A plus n minus 1 lots of D, like that. That will work fine. The other way to do it is to think about your AP starting from 9, and then you can add up the first 50 terms, and then you can subtract the first 2 terms. So therefore you have the sum from the third term to the 50th term. So you could do S50 n over 2, 2 lots of this A plus this n minus 1 times the D of 4, and then subtract the 9 and the 13 from the total. Okay, so you have 2 different ways of calculating. Let's do it both ways and show it's going to be the same thing. So 48 over 2, obviously 24, 2 times 17 plus 47 times 4 gives us 5, 3, 2, 8, doing it that way. And if we do it this way, we get 5350 minus the 9 minus the 13 gives us 5328. So really this question didn't tell you it was an AP. It needed you to know that that symbol means adding together, and you had to figure out what sort of sequence you were adding together, so you knew it was an AP and you were using your AP formulae.